Bullish signal is flashing for Jasmy at this moment, and I believe a massive rally is coming very soon. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy because I believe that right now we are seeing a massive bullish signal flashing for Jasmy, and those who capitalize on this opportunity right now are going to be making some serious gains in the next couple of weeks or in the next couple of months. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you the bullish signal which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. As you can see, we have recently closed 2 trades in my trade signal group and we were profitable on both of them. On one of the trades, we got a profit of about 312%, while on the second one, we got a profit of about 239%. This is not the first time which we have done that, and I believe that if you guys join my trade signal group at this moment, the return on investment on your money is going to be the best out there. Now guys, my trade signal group is about $30 per month. However, only limited spots are available, so make sure guys grab onto your spots as soon as possible. Now in my trade signal group, people are making $5,000 to about $10,000 every single month simply by following my trade signals. These are the same people who did not even know how to trade like 2 to 3 months ago, and right now they have converted that hobby of theirs into a full-time profession. I believe right now is a crazy opportunity in the markets, and if you get in right now and if you capitalize on the trading opportunities right now, you can be making seriously good amount of money in the market. So if you guys want to make similar profits, make sure you guys sign up to my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Anyways, now if I show you all the charts for Jasmy and the bullish signals which I'm talking about, let me first go over from the starting. So guys, as you can see that right over here was the bear market bottom for Jasmy, and we started pumping towards this wave 1 high right over here, in which we pumped almost like about 200% if I am not wrong. Yeah, we pumped up by almost 200%. However guys, ever since we formed this top right over here, we have been in a constant downfall. Now as you can see, we recently dropped by about 63% from the recent all-time highs. However, right this moment you can see that we are seeing a relief rally for Jasmy. Now I believe that Jasmy has shifted its trend towards the upside, and right now we are forming this massive Elliott wave structure which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So we completed this wave number 1 right over here, we came down in this wave number 2, and right now we are in this wave number 3 towards the upside. As mentioned in my previous videos as well, I personally have my price target set for Jasmy at this level right over here at a price of about 0.0074. This is about a 90% move for Jasmy from the current price points, and I do believe that we are going to be getting here sooner or later in just like a matter of like few weeks or few months. Now guys, the bullish signal which I was talking about is the descending wedge which we are forming at this moment. Now guys, as you can see that we pumped up in this rally towards the upside. However guys, ever since then we have been seeing like lower highs being made, and we have been falling down constantly. Now even though we are seeing a green candle at this moment, you guys can still see that we are still trading towards the downside and the price is trending towards the downside. Now if I show you guys the RSI signal, this is where things get really interesting. Now if you compare the RSI chart to the price action chart, you will be able to see some really crucial differences. Now as you can see, the RSI marks the buying pressure which is coming in the markets. Now as of this moment, you can see that even though the high was right over here and then we formed the lower high right over here, on the RSI scale you can see we practically formed a similar high on the RSI scale. Now that combined with this descending wedge pattern, I believe is telling us that we should be preparing for a massive move towards the upside. Now I don't know about you guys, but as you can see, the Fibonacci retracement levels which I had drawn like from this bottom right over here towards this top over here, you can see that when we draw as basically a trend line from the top towards the bottom, you can see that at this moment as well we are coming really close to this trend line right over here. Now I believe that this trend line right now is acting like a major support area for Jasmy, and if it does that, I do not I basically see Jasmy getting towards the upside. That's it guys, the most important support and resistance level at this moment. So the support area for Jasmy is going to be this gray line right over here, which also marks the bear market bottom. However, the resistance level for Jasmy are practically the same. I believe the first resistance level Jasmy has to break is through this gray line right over here at a price of about 0.0041. The second resistance level which I personally have for Jasmy is this section right over here between the prices of 0.0055 and the price of about 0.0049. This is also closer to 200-day moving average, and I do believe that Jasmy is going to be retesting it sooner or later. Now, if we check out some of the previous price action on the charts, you can see that we were trending above this level right over here, and every time we see like the price of Jasmy getting towards this level right over here, we always see a huge spike towards the upside. But whenever we dip towards the downside, we always see a downward pump. So right away you can see that we basically broke the 200-day moving average and we dropped by about 40%. However guys, right away you can see that we pumped up while touching this 200-day moving average, and we pumped up by almost 57%. So I believe it's only a matter of time when we see a pump, because if Jasmy is able to reach this level right over here, which if we calculate from the current price points, it's just about a 33% move towards the upside, we should be gearing up for a massive rally towards the upside. In my calculation, I think if we can even pump by about 50%, this basically brings me to my target of about 0.0080. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money by trading crypto, as I mentioned in the starting of the video as well, you guys have to check out my trade signal group as soon as possible. Now this is the results of my trade signal group from the past week or so. As you can see, we closed 3 trades with a profit of about 456%, profits of 430%, profit of 258%. If you guys want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys sign up to my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. As mentioned, it's only about $30 per month. However, the value you guys will be receiving from the group is beyond any of your expectations. Now, once you join my trade signal group, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are making some really huge money in the crypto markets, similarly by following my trade signals. These members are making $5,000 to about $10,000 every single month, as mentioned previously as well, simply by just following my trade signals. It's completely automated, and I believe that if just by following trade signals, you guys can rack up some serious amounts of gains if you guys don't capitalize on this opportunity right at this moment. And if you guys don't sign up, I personally believe you guys are probably missing out on a lot of profits. You guys have already missed out on profitable trades like these. However guys, right at this moment as well, we are taking some long positions, we are taking some short positions, and we still have a lot of trades open. So make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. As mentioned, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.